What does it mean to take a moonshot? For us, it meant kayaking Lake Geneva, a lake that, to our knowledge, has never been kayaked before, and for a good reason.
It's gonna be a hard hike. Understatement of the year. A 1,300-foot elevation gain meant we fought for every inch.
So right over this hill is Lake Geneva, the destination and the goal for this journey.
It was the epitome of stoke. Once we recovered from the hike, we set up our tents, started a fire, and meanwhile, Shiloh dug in for the night, as we prepped the Oru for the morning. And settled in for the cold night.
Before we knew it, it was morning. The Oru prepped for its maiden voyage. Ian was ready to achieve a world's first.
It's funny how just being a couple feet out on the water makes it look completely different.
While we may not be the next Neil Armstrong, in our own way, we landed on the moon.
Old Town is back in the touring game with the all-new Castine series, which provides all the benefits of a traditional touring kayak in a smaller, more user-friendly package. We designed this kayak in 3 sizes, each cockpit being slightly larger and taller as you go up in size, making it easier for you to find a custom fit feel. Not only do we make it in 3 sizes, but the boat is lightweight and really easy to car top. The Castine is loaded with premium features such as our fully adjustable ACS2 seat, the most comfortable kayak seat on the market, padded thigh braces, and adjustable foot braces. The Castine is equipped with a brand new feature that we like to call the slide away day hatch. The slide away day hatch is inside the cockpit and slides towards you and allows you to store things like granola bars, your wallet, your phone, and simply slide it away from you when you're done. For larger items, the Castine features a bow and stern quick seal and cross-lock storage compartment, allowing your items to stay dry. This series also features conveniently placed deck rigging. As with all boats made by Old Town, we back it with a lifetime hull warranty, making sure that you stay on the water for years to come. The Solitude Jacket by Old Town was designed to complement boats such as the Castine with its high back design made to integrate with the seat. With fleece-lined hand warmer pockets, this jacket will keep you on the water exploring longer.
The Advanced Elements Straitedge Angler Pros are definitely a step up for us. We could do extended expeditions with these kayaks. With the extra space, we can fit tons of fishing gear, camera equipment, food, camping equipment. It just really makes a big difference for us. I love to be able to stand up. You can sight cast a lot easier when you're higher up above the water, and they're really stable. So, you know, stand-up paddling is really not a problem at all with these.
These new boats are amazing because they are inflatable, which allows us to travel with them super easily. We can have them in the backcountry of Mexico, Australia, anywhere with us. So we feel like we have all our needs met in these boats that are travel ready. I just love the fact that I can bring my dog out there. It kind of opens up a whole new world for me, being able to bring her out there and hitting the backcountry with so much room in those boats so we can really get after it.
For 47 years, Eddyline has built best-in-class kayaks to suit a wide range of paddlers and kayak adventures. In 2019, we're excited to announce 2 new kayak models. The Sitka LT is a day touring kayak designed for the paddler looking for a lightweight, high-performing kayak with effortless maneuverability and a perfect fit. This kayak combines the best of both worlds, the performance, efficiency, and tracking of our touring kayaks, together with the playfulness of our recreational kayaks. At 14 feet 6 inches long, the Sitka LT is a fully outfitted seaworthy kayak with perimeter lines, bulkheads and hatches, retractable carry handles, deck bungees, a 6-inch forward day hatch, and an upgraded infinity seat system with a backrest or optional back band. The original Sandpiper is an Eddyline classic, and we're excited to introduce the Sandpiper 130, new for the 2019 season. The Sandpiper 130 has a large cockpit, making getting in or out of the kayak a breeze, even from a dock or boat deck. This 13-foot kayak comes with a removable Cloud 10 frame seat. Paddle for hours in total comfort, then take the seat with you for a beach chair. The rear hatch is an 18-inch wide oval, making this kayak ideal for hauling bulky gear that won't fit in a standard hatch. The large cockpit and ample storage space make this kayak a great option for the paddler looking to get on the water with plenty of gear, your dog, or even a small child. We are excited about our new kayak models. Contact your local Eddyline dealer for a test paddle or learn more at eddyline.com.
Introducing the all-new Wilderness System Tsunami, delivering a wave of performance and style. The performance-inspired deck of the new Tsunami motivates you to explore more, while a focus on improving the paddler's experience sees new features incorporated into the design. Complementing spacious covered storage are 2 removable mesh deck storage bags, perfect for stowing close-at-hand items, as well as an underdeck storage area that provides another alternative for staging your favorite beverage. Small changes with big effects have also been integrated into the hull. The flared sidewalls and increased volume above the waterline provide more confidence and stability, while the longer waterline delivers increased speed and efficiency. The industry-leading Phase 3 Air Pro seating system enables you to travel farther in the world's most comfortable kayak. The Tsunami is available in 3 sizes, ensuring an optimized fit for every paddler. Tsunami, performance touring at its peak. Visit your local authorized Wilderness Systems dealer to see more.
This is the Dagger Stratos. This is Dagger's performance touring kayak. It is the perfect blend of speed, stability, and maneuverability. The Stratos was born from Dagger's whitewater heritage, with all of the performance of a top-line touring kayak. This kayak is an extremely fun boat to paddle in a variety of different conditions. Its rocker profile and edges make it a very dynamic feeling boat. This boat can take the paddler from their first strokes in a kayak all the way up to the most advanced aggressive conditions. If you're paddling in anything from bays, estuaries, slow-moving rivers, all the way up to rough water and rock garden, it can handle a variety of different conditions with the right paddler. A lot of people who are whitewater paddlers have even been taking it on large whitewater rivers. This boat likes to turn, it likes to carve, it likes to surf. It's very playful. The hull design has good primary stability and great secondary stability. The adjustable drop skeg aids in tracking, and the Contour CFS outfitting gives you unsurpassed control of your kayak. With 2 hatches and deck rigging fore and aft, this boat has the ability to carry a lot of gear. This has the most storage capacity of any boat in the Dagger line. There's also a dedicated mount point for compass, GPS, or camera, making this kayak the most expedition ready of any in our fleet. The Stratos comes in 2 14.5-foot sizes, a small volume and a high volume. Check with your local retailer to see which one is best for you. This isn't just a recreational boat. It's a high-performance touring kayak and a limitless adventure machine.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,